Welcome to Anne's Art Desk.
All right, this is our tree. It's Sequoia sempervirens, California redwood, and it's only about 30 years old, and it's really big already. I remember when my grandfather planted it, and just for scale, there's Katie. Here's its bark, which is very, very thick. It's fire resistant, and it is actually a really dark red. So this is Anne's Art Desk. Here are the supplies you will need, potentially. And we're going to do 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. So trunk and branches. All right, here we go. First you need a trunk, leaves, and redwood trees are very, very tall. They'll take up your entire paper. And interestingly, they have big branching root structures, like a platform that hold the tree up. You can't usually see them, but they are there. You might want to draw some. There, we finished one of our tasks. Now we need branches, and the branches of a redwood tree tend to sort of sweep down like this. And kind of in a Christmas tree shape, a cone shape. This is called a conifer. This is one of many trees that's a conifer. Our branches. Now we need some leaves. Maybe just a leaf outline. There we go. Then we need to color everything in. I think I'm also going to put like the surface of the ground here somewhere, like that. Then you can use a couple different things to color in. You can use markers or crayons or both. Let's try starting with some crayons. And you can just color away like this. Something that's really neat about redwood trees is that they're actually red, and you can show that by coloring the trunk in red. Maybe some of the roots too. And you can use a couple different reds to show that beautiful red bark. Maybe some of the branches have some red in them. Oops, I'm good at breaking my crayons. And then you can choose some other colors for green leaves as well. I like just coloring things in all sorts of ways with all sorts of colors. I chose a couple different greens. Maybe the surface of the ground has some green. You could also color in the sky with some blue. Notice I don't have to color the whole sky in. I can just color in some of it, and somehow magically it looks as if I colored in every little bit. But it goes really quite quickly. Maybe that's my redwood tree right there. That looks a lot like the tree that grows in my front yard. And I can add more green leaves, maybe on top of or with the crayons. Notice that where I put crayon, I can't really put marker. I can only have crayon, because you can't put marker on top of crayon. There you go. Some basic steps for drawing a redwood tree. Something that might be kind of nice is you could draw yourself in the picture to show how big this redwood tree really is. About that big. Hi. Like that. What do you think? And then with all your art, you should sign it. Ta-da!